Hey guys, it's Jason with Crusader Overland. I wanted to kick off this YouTube series with a little introduction of myself and the company before we get after everything else we want to do on this series. So without further ado, roll that bumper. Alright, so let's start this off with the very first question of why Crusader Overland. Pretty simple. It was our battalion call sign for a very short period of time because we had to change it to Chaos. So continuing on with call signs, I named our first tent Charlie. Charlie Company, 1st Battalion, 4th Marines. That was the company I served the most time under. It was a helicopter company, so that just means we did helo inserts and helo extracts. We just recently did our 15-year anniversary this month. Which was pretty awesome. There's a bunch of guys I had not seen for 15 years and didn't know how important that was going to be to me. So yeah, Charlie Company and the Charlie rooftop tent had to be the first one. If you stick around with us long enough, you continue to support our company, you're going to see that we continue to use the phonetic alphabet. So the next tent coming out soon, stay tuned for that because it's coming out very soon, is the Bravo, and then we will finish off with the Alpha. So we will be offering 3 tents, all in the hard shell form. So stick around and see what comes up after the Charlie.